Here I have the Unalilia plastic refillable liquid pump bottle. This is a 2-pack. I'm gonna actually unbox it here with you and show you what is included when you receive your product. In your bottle set, you will receive 2 large liquid pumps. As you can see, they are clear pump bottles. Very, very nice. It'll fit a lot of product in these bottles. Also included in your set is a larger pump. This is perfect for thicker products. So definitely like that was included in the set. Another item that is included is a little funnel. So it is a little plastic funnel. So this is going to help fill up your plastic bottle. So as you can see, it expands and you're able to pour whatever product it is that you want in those bottles into here, and it could directly go into the plastic bottles. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a demonstration really quick. So simply place the funnel on the bottle itself and start pouring the product in here, and it'll directly go into your bottle. So absolutely love that was included as well. Last but not least, you also get a pack of stickers. So it depends on your style and your preference. You could use these right here. These two are the same. So it kind of gives you a hand pour. It says home aesthetics, creative and unique for you, 1 liter. Or you could use this side right here, and you could just kind of check off what product you're using, either shampoo, conditioner, hand wash, dish soap, lotion, body wash. Take a look. Super, super nice. I love that this is included. So once you select which sticker you want to use, simply peel the sticker and place it at the front of your bottle. The pumps on these are very nicely. They work very smoothly, as you could see. Very, very nice material. I'm going to kind of give you a close-up on what that looks like. Overall, great product, super big bottles, and I love everything that's included in the packaging. I would highly recommend.